You must decide on a target version of OpenCL, in my case 1.2, before including cl.h. This helper library will include cl.h for you. You must initialize the helper library before using it. We could use this build script, but we'll be using this. We need a variable to where the OpenCL headers Git repository is. This folder here on my right monitor. Inside CL, we have cl.h. Normally, I would directly include a header file like this into my C99 file, but because of the way the headers are set up, I must use an include directory like this. Specify the language as C and compile the C file. Then create an object file, myObjectFile.o. Optional but recommended, append these strict compilation options to your command string. Before running the command string, echo it to inspect it. Then run the command string. This will create our object file. The next set of commands, turn the object file into an executable, run the executable, remove the object file, remove the exe file. We do the remove step so that we can run the script over and over again without having to do any manual cleanup. This just sets up the commands. This does not run them. Down here is where we run them. If the command goes all right, we'll say OK. If it fails, we'll say fail. Additionally, for running the executable, we want to echo the status code here on line 49. When using the CLEB helper library, you also need to include OpenCL search paths.txt. It needs to be in the same folder as your executable. The executable will open this txt file and read the paths in it. It'll search for OpenCL.dll. You can use a relative path or an absolute path. We need this so that CLEB can open up the DLL and manually take out function pointers from it. Let's run this code. We can see begin main and end main, which is from here in our C file. And then we can see the echoes from the bash script, the command for running the executable, removing the object file, and removing the exe file. So I said you could do this more than once, so let's run it again. There you go. Thank you for your time.